Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to create some journal art, and by this I mean a to-do list. I have this cool stamp set and it's particular for journal. I have here the names of the days of the week and I'm going to use them. I'm also going to use the to-do stamp and this month schedule stamp. I'm also going to use the other stamp set. I have some leaves and flowers here and I couldn't wait to use it because I really love it. So I think I will organize my stamps in some nice way. I'm going to use my Archival black ink and it's waterproof, and I think it will be perfect for inks as well. I wanted to give it a sign as well, some kind of emotion, some kind of thought for this month, and it's going to be dreaming of when we will be together again. Let's start some blending. I have here 3 inks. One of them is from Deco Time and it's apple green color. And the 2 of them are distress inks, and the first one is Peacock Feather and the second one is Salty Ocean. I wanted to give my days the place when we can write our thoughts, our things to do. That is why I'm using a ruler pencil to make it more or less even. And then I will use my fineliner to draw the lines. And the lines I'm going to draw by my hand because I want it to be a little bit messy. It doesn't need to be perfectly even. Let's make some place for the June sign. And the sign to do is going to be stamped separately and glue with a foam tape to my planner. Let's add some more leaves to the planner. Now I'm writing the numbers of the days. And as usual, glitter is really welcome here. So I will add some glossy dots to some places on my planner. I'm thinking about this gold heart. Is it okay to be here or not really? Maybe not. It looks like the planner is ready. Wow, it was quite fast. And what do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the planner. And here under the movie in the description you have a link and you can download the image of the planner and print it by yourself. So enjoy and see you soon in my next movie. Bye!